Next exercise we're going to get into is the good morning. I'm going to show you 2 different variations with 2 different weights. Here we go. So on this first one, we're going to use the kettlebell. So on this kettlebell, I'm going to stand here to the side. Make sure your feet are right under your hips. All right, I'm going to lay this weight on the back of my shoulders, not on my neck. And on this position, I'm going to push my hips back, a little bend in my knees, and I'm going to draw down, keeping your back straight, about 90 degrees. And then we're going to come up, lock your legs, squeeze your glutes. Push your hips back, slight bend. Not a squat, more of a bend. So you load those hamstrings all the way down, coming right back up. This is a great exercise because not only are we strengthening those hamstrings, but you're also stretching them. Let's do one more. Pushing straight down. I like to engage the core here. Exhale. Stretch. Bring that back 90 degrees. Squeeze. All right. Let's go right over here to the other weight. Now we got a barbell. We're going to do the same form. I'm going to load it on the back of my shoulders. Chest up. Push those hips back. Belly button tight. Straight down. And squeeze. Even with this light weight, you can feel those hamstrings being engaged, stretching all the way down to right behind your kneecap. Let's do 2 more. Exhale down, stretch, drive right back up. This is also a cool exercise because you will feel your core as well, keeping your back nice and straight. Last one, squeeze, hamstrings, glutes, and stretching the knee joint. Let's go on to the next exercise.